Today we want to introduce you to the High-Throughput Bioprocessor, or HTB, the device we designed at Stämm to define modern biomanufacturing. The HTB is an automated single-use benchtop bioreactor designed to easily produce adherent or suspension cells for discovery or preclinical research in academia and industry. It's the tool that lets your lab work faster, generate more data, parallelize processes, and rely less on manual intervention. Start multiple independent processes in parallel, all controlled from a single unit. Each one runs simultaneously with its own flow rate, protocol, temperature, and parameters, with a single dashboard to monitor multiple critical variables. The HTB's control unit automatically coordinates up to 3 production units. But what's happening inside those bioreactors? At the core of each cartridge is the bubble-free bioreactor, or BFB, a single-use culture vessel that leverages laminar flow, smooth, unidirectional, turbulence-free, and bubble-free movement. The design is inspired by vascular systems. Stämm's bioreactor uses interconnected channels to ensure every cell receives the same treatment without dead zones or uneven feeding. This system eliminates bubbles and reduces stress to a minimum, which means healthier, more productive cells. No impellers, no spargers, no anti-foam. The cartridge comes pre-assembled and sterilized. It has 2 connectors, one from our formulation unit and another for inoculation. You slide the reusable frame out, fasten the single-use cartridge down, slide it back in, and you're ready to go. There's no need for complex procedures, no contamination risk, no wasted time, no long user manuals or tools required. For process control, you define the ideal conditions for your cells, and the automated system maintains them, including oxygen, CO2, humidity, dissolved oxygen, pH, and temperature. All of the bioreactor's data gets captured and pushed to a cloud platform where you can monitor your processes in real time, design automated workflows, and maintain full traceability of every single experiment. We ran benchmark experiments with biopharma partners comparing the Stämm bioreactor directly against standard fed-batch processes. Stämm's bioreactor delivered higher viable cell density and specific productivity compared to fed-batch controls. Space-time yield, how much product you generate per unit of space and time, improves substantially. The process also requires fewer expensive feeds, which drives the cost per gram of monoclonal antibody down. Stämm's HTB combines continuous bioprocessing, automation, high-throughput processing, and monitoring software, all on the comfort of a benchtop device. It's designed so researchers can spend their time on what actually matters, focusing on the science. If you work in bioprocess development, cell research, or preclinical production, this system is worth exploring. Head over to stämm.bio to learn where you can see the HTB and order one today.
Inspired by nature, driven by data, built for humanity.